Dubai is continually pushing the boundaries of innovation and modernity. Yet, even in its relentless pursuit of progress, the city isn't immune to the far reaching impacts of climate change. Unfortunately, the effects of a changing climate cast a shadow over its ambitious mega projects. Sea level rise. As a coastal city, Dubai faces a big problem with rising sea levels. This is because a lot of its famous projects, like the Palm Jumeirah and the World Islands, are built on land that was once underwater. If the sea levels keep rising, it could cause more flooding, and the land these projects are on might start to erode away. In really bad situations, the whole islands could end up underwater, which would mean all the money put into these projects would be wasted. Safety concerns. Floodwaters can create safety hazards for construction workers, exposure to contaminated water, and injuries from debris carried by fast moving currents can cause serious damage. Such a situation often requires stoppages until conditions improve. Material damage. In cases of floods, materials used for buildings that are kept on site or in nearby storage places can get ruined. This means they have to be thrown away and new ones have to be brought in, which costs more money and takes more time. So construction work might have to stop until everything is sorted out. Increased costs. After a flood, there's a lot of work to do to fix things up. This includes repairing stuff that got damaged, getting new materials to replace the ones that got ruined, and taking steps to stop it from happening again in the future. All of this can make the whole construction project cost a lot more money than planned. Sometimes the budget has to be changed and more money and time need to be set aside to deal with the mess the flood made. Delays. When floods hit, they mess up the plans for building things. The water can cover the construction spots, so it's not safe or even possible for workers to keep going with their jobs. Also, the stuff they use, like machines and materials, can get wrecked or carried away by the floodwater. This makes it take longer to finish the project because they have to stop and fix everything up before they can start again. Erosion. Erosion can wash away the soil underneath buildings or structures that are built. This makes the ground less strong and make the foundations of the buildings wobbly. To fix this, extra work might be needed to make the foundation stronger or repair any damage. This also takes more time and money. Damage to infrastructure. Floods can wreck the roads, bridges, and other important stuff we use every day. These things are crucial for getting to and supporting construction sites. The flood damage can make it hard to bring in materials and tools for the construction work, and it can slow down how fast workers can get around. This means everything takes longer to do and costs more money to fix up. Water scarcity. In Dubai, there's not a lot of water to go around because it's so dry, and there aren't many freshwater sources. Climate change could make this problem even worse by changing when and where it rains, making less water available. Big projects in Dubai need tons of water to build and keep running, which makes the water shortage problem even more serious. Extreme weather events. As climate change continues, we're likely to see more super intense weather changes happening, like big storms, hurricanes, and even sandstorms. These kinds of events are dangerous for construction sites, buildings, and people. The strong winds and heavy rain from these storms can wreck buildings and make it hard to keep working on construction projects. This means everything takes longer to do and ends up costing more money because of all the delays and problems caused by bad weather. The effects of climate change are even being felt in every corner of the world, from the way the weather behaves to the construction projects that shape our cities. Even in places as modern and forward-thinking as Dubai, we're seeing how severe weather events can disrupt plans for big projects. Dubai, with all its technology and money, isn't immune to these changes. They've had to stop working on new projects because of bad weather. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more such videos on your feed. We hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you again soon.